the big D. It's open. Let's start to unload. Ugh. Can I get it down with this thing on it? South of the border. Here. How you doing? Is that you? Your desk over there?
Yeah,
okay.
You know how to get up there?
Yeah. It's kind of confusing, but
Yeah.
up one and then up another.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me know. My name's JC. If you have any questions?
All right, JC. I'm Connor.
It's Connor. My hand's dirty.
All right, man.
Yeah.
So are mine.
Let me know.
All right, dude. Thanks. Over the border. I'm gonna go up one. I know I'm not. Man, part of me doesn't want to even bring these. I don't think we need them. Well, oh, it's not so bad. Here's the real question, is whether or not I can fit all of these on here or not. I don't know. Huh? There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Where the tuna fish play. That's pretty easy. The loading dock is nice. The loading dock with a ramp in it is nice. Okay, elevator time. Hello. Ah, forgot one of the stands. All right. Okay, I feel like this is more efficient than last time we did this. Is it because you were with child? In this long hallway. Long fellow. Ugh.
Sorry, I didn't get the button back.
Okay, this is gonna be annoying because it's so far away. What the fuck? I know, it's very... I love these things. Oh, this is the long stretch. Because it's right up here, right?
Yeah. You have to go through like another door and then there's no.
I don't care about no bump. Oh, it smells interesting in here. Boop, 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 ba-doop, boop. This isn't as difficult as I remember it being.
We have less stuff.
No, we don't.
We have the hand part also.
Really? Had the hand cart. We didn't have a hand cart. Maybe we did, I don't know. All right, I'm gonna come at you full speed. With my full speed. I'm gonna give you my whole weight. Oh boy. It doesn't fit through this door.
Do you ever get scared of being trapped?
No. I've been trapped in a stair. Somebody's gonna find you eventually. It's always the little things. What is this? Ugh. Ooh. This is interesting. There we go. All right. I don't know where to go. hot.
The loading dock is nice because it's like covered, but it's also like stuffy.
Steamy. Packing. Okay, this is it, baby. Ooh-wee.
Oh wow, is that time already?
It is. We are here. Ooh. Hello.
Hi, how are you? I'm Amy.
Amy, I'm Connor.
Connor.
We're good, but it's hot outside.
Doing up this wrap. Are you gonna here?
It's a little tight, but we have some stands that'll fit here. But maybe if we move the couch back a little bit, I don't know.
As long as the door can open in case anyone still wants to.
Okay, well, let's just see how much room that is. This might already.
Should be a little bit of room. Will that
Yeah, if we can just, every inch.
okay. Is that good?
Yeah, we can work with it. It'll be okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
It looks completely different here.
Yeah, it does look a little different than the last time we were in here. I guess that's Cunniel's job. Front of house. Behind everything. Yeah. This will be fine. It's going to work just fine. Just a little tight. Can't be perfect. Yeah, I mean, I can't put it behind the speakers or it's just going to feed back. Behind like the talkers. No, it's not going to affect any. The speakers will go up higher. How's it look? Yeah? I guess it's a showroom. Wow. I remember to pack these little 1-foot extension cables because sometimes these big plugs won't fit into the receptacle. So you're just gonna have these on hand so you can. I don't remember what we did last time though.
Can the speakers be located in a different spot?
We can't put them behind the microphones. That's what causes feedback. Because they're gonna go up higher.
Oh, they are.
Yeah, they're gonna be well above head height.
Oh,
So it'll just be the pole.
okay, that's fun. That helps.
Yeah, and it'll just be one cord coming down. It's not a bunch of
Okay.
ugly cords, and we'll just run them under here. Yeah,
Okay, yep.
sorry.
No, you're the experts with sound.
Yeah, and I'll do it. It's just,
No. I think that helps a lot.
Yeah,
just
I do
having
too.
it up, so it's not kind of in. Especially, thank you.
you bet. Okie dokie. Okay. Gotta put up. Dropped it. All right, ready to go. I couldn't bring my laptop to do a frequency scan while I was here, so I just did some frequency scanning on wireless workbench and did some TV channel exclusions for downtown Dallas, and I'm just gonna punch these things in real quick. Right now I'm just syncing all of the transmitters to the receiver with the IR sync. Boop. And they're all done by color, so it's not impossible to mess up, but it's pretty hard. And we're good. Hey, check. Yum, yum. All right. We're in. Check 1, 2. Hey, hey. Hey, check 1, 2. Hey, hey. 3, 4. Hey, hey. Hey, check 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. You doing camera tonight?
Man, I guess so. I have no idea.
Hey, check. Hey, hey. Nice. You see how it's turning like it turns all the other ones down whenever we're talking? Because I'm talking in 3 right now and it's all the way open and I'm just pushing all the other ones down. Check. Hey. 1, 2, 3. Hey. Shh. 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 Check. Hey. Hey. 1, 2, 3. We're never gonna get that loud. One, two, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Check 3, 4, hey, hey. All right. Would you guys like me to put on a little music or something when people are coming in? Yeah. All right, cool. Is Motown okay? It's usually what I do.
The appropriate adapter.
Yes. I got it. No, I wish it did. Cool.
So are they on?
They're all, yeah, you can just leave them on. Don't be afraid to speak loudly into them. I can always turn it down and keep them as close as you can to your face. So you won't need to turn them on or off or anything.
Okay.
I'll be here, so you just leave them on and I'll turn them up or turn them down. Time to clean this stuff up. So we're gonna do that real quick. One goes down. 2 goes down.
You guys ever need like a referral or something?
Oh yeah, we.
Yeah. Just email me and then just tell me what I need to do.
Thank you so much.
We've had others and it's just feedback and issues. This was really slick. I was watching from up there where you're dialing in.
Oh, yeah.
out.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Excuse me, guys. Sorry.
Sorry. You're so quiet.
So sneaky.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff.
This is the small one. Oh my gosh. All right, now I kind of like some help. I'll put the camera right there. You better stay put, boy. All right. Your back still hurt?
It's like my eye.
Ugh. Shoot. Play-Doh room. Ugh.
Steamy.
Yeah, it's hot. But daylight come and me want to go home. Okay. Prima bella. Move it or lose it, sister. Ooh.